Spring is here. My garden did not survive winter. Okay, look, all my pepper tree them dead, every last one. I got one hanging on by a eyelash. In the words of Kanye, it's hanging on by an eyelash inside. Only the citrus survived out here. That one, this one, all the pepper them dead. This was a pepper, that was a pepper, that was a pepper. This was a dahlia. Him dead too. He might have a root left, I'm not sure. It's my compost pile, but I don't know what's happening in there. Anyhow, signs of life. Daffodils, yours. Daffodil and grass. That's all we have right now. Daffodils and grass. Even my grass didn't make it last year. Look, the frost killed it. It's supposed to be these types of grass. I'm dead. We got one single daffodil out here sprouting. He representing. I can't remember what his thing name. Can't remember what his thing name either. Can't remember what he named either. But anyhow, look, Jerome trying to salvage something. I don't know. I think this is a monkey palm. I'm not sure. Some type of palm. I brought it from Flower Club and I just left it on the ground. Anyway, Jerome tied it up and he picked it all up. This might be remnants of a passion fruit that we had, but him dead now. Anyway, this is the garden. Yes, this is white dead nettle, excellent for menstruations and stuff like that, menstrual issues, feminine problems. I need to make a blend for my friend actually. From this, some bladderwrack and some sarsaparilla. Yep. Here is our persimmon. Poor thing, I left him outside. He managed though, he managed. He survived. Yeah. Garden looking a bit meager. This is Patience, my cherry tree. And Patience looking a little dry right now, but we good. She gonna come back, she gonna come back. Look, you see? You see? She gonna come back. This is Jerome apple tree. He grew this from seed. She gonna come back too. But ain't much coming back, okay? Ain't much. This the hydrangea. I need to chop it down a little bit more. That one gonna come back. And this was a very flourishing and illustrious fairy garden, but look, the frost kill him. That's a fake plant. He's just there for the vibes. Yeah, see Teddy? Yeah, man. Oh my god, I didn't even notice. Oh. Okay. Got a little life, okay. And this one too got a little life. You know, Jerome said I overwatered this one. He said I killed it. But joke's on him. Look. See? He's still alive, little piece. See? Little piece, man. Little piece. God bless y'all. Y'all survived this. We had literally a snap frost. There was ice in my plants. They froze to death. Anyways, that's what we on. We still have our little decorative Buddha bed. This one comes back every year. We ain't gotta worry about this one. And the succulents, they always come back. But most of the other ones are them dead. Them dead. Anywho, gotta try and do something this year, you know, make it look good and things. Yes. That's the garden update.